Hello YouTube. In this video I want to show you a quick way to upload your code to your Arduino. This is one of my Arduino boards, but even a regular UNO will work, of course. And the app you're using or you will be using is called XLoader. I'm not the first person doing this, but I need it for some of my customers, so here we go. Once you download the XLoader app from the internet, you can find the links in the internet. I do provide them also in my Dropbox in the description. You click the XLoader app exe file. You can close the window, and this is what you get. You click this small button in the upper right corner and you select the hex code that you want to upload. In this case it's the over here. It's the blink code. You select your device, which it's a UNO 328. You select your correct COM port. You select the baud rate, which already comes correctly selected. You take the USB adapter. This is my version that I'm using. I'm using this for over 3 years or something like that. You will see it in my earlier videos, so it's still working. I have the pins here. I won't go into this because this is specific to the boards, and you put them on here, preferably not that they jump off. I'm gonna move it up here, you see it. Let me adjust this real quick. Okay, you hold it there and then you click upload here. Over here you click upload. It says uploading, and then it says in this case 924 bytes uploaded, and as you see, blink code obviously, and it starts blinking. This is it. So there are several instructions on the internet, of course, and this is my take on it. And if you do have any other questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching.